Schedule a spin in a brand new Chevrolet Silverado as soon as possible. As the Dallas, Texas resource, specializing in all new and pre-owned Chevrolet trucks, cars and SUVs in the Dallas area. Serving other local areas near Dallas such as Highland Park, Cockrell Hill, Balch Springs, Mesquite, Seagovie. We take pride in being a Dallas-based Chevrolet dealership that works hard for our customers with welcoming and warm staff, comfortable convenience, superior customer assistance reputation. Contact us first if you're looking for a Chevrolet Silverado, or stop by for a test run in your very own Silverado today.